Hold on. No.
You ain't got one? Boy, you're recording from then.
I don't know what it is.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video.
Yo.
Right now, as y'all see, we're on the water. We're on the water right now, y'all. We're on the water. Get Griffin in the back as always.
Look at the paddle we're using.
Piece of driftwood. So today we are at Trout Lake in Colorado. I'm not sure if y'all guys know what that is. Not sure if y'all been here or not. But it's a huge, not a huge, but it's a big lake.
A lot of trout.
A lot of trout. A lot of trout.
Yesterday, I was at a pond and I was just taking some random casts and I caught one, but I didn't have the cameras on, man. I'll pop a picture up right now. But yeah, let's go up on. Oh, I get one! I get one! Oh, I get one!
Oh, Griffin, get one!
I get one!
Oh.
Look him! He's jumping! I get one! I get one! Get him in! Get him in! Get him in, boy! Let's go! Let's go! We get him! Let's go! Hey! I got him! That's a trout! That's the second trout today, boy. Let's get it. Hey, but that's the trout, man. Let's go. Couple of casts. Pretty little trout. Let's get a release on him. Oh, oh. Straight back down. Is he gonna go? Oh. Oh no, there he goes. There he goes. Let's go. I'll do is catch a trout.
One literally jump right there.
Why don't cast?
Cause I done cast it.
Cast again? Boy, one just jumped straight over there.
I get one.
Oh.
I get one. I get one.
You got it? You got it?
Yeah. Record. I got one, y'all. I got a fish. You're gonna be on the boat. You're gonna be on the boat.
Hey.
Another trout, y'all. Another trout.
Oh, I get one. I get one. Dead serious. Hold on. No.
You ain't get one?
No.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today, y'all,
But
we out fishing again.
I can get a fish.
We out fishing again. Same lake we've been to the first time. This is probably a bonefish fly, but this is a fly I'm using. We'll see if it works.
This is what I'm using. Little weighted spinner thing. Hopefully we catch a fish, a trout.
I know today, y'all.
Hit the subscribe button. Switch over to the GoPro now.
Lie!
Camera clean. Boy,
For real?
that's a fish.
For real?
That's a fish.
Slow.
That's dead ass a fish.
Slow.
Oh.
Slow. Take your time.
Let's go.
No. I didn't even catch that.
No. I knew he was right there.
Hey, Dummy.
Oh my god, bro. Why does always happen, boy? And I feel him in the water, bro.
I don't know if I catch that.
Don't blame me, boy.
Alright, everybody, we're about to head home now. Missed one, but Griffin did. Saw a bunch of
That's
fish.
crazy, bro. That happened to us twice.
Bunch of fishes out there. But yeah, everybody, see y'all tomorrow, and we'll try to catch on a fish. Yes, sir.